Done. How about that? Now we've gone from this to this. This home, built in the early 80s, has some outdated hall ceiling light fixtures, and the homeowner would like me to change them out with something more contemporary. They purchased this light fixture, actually at Costco, for just under $10. It's a low profile light, LED, which will save them electricity, and it'll bring this hallway lighting up to date. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change out a light fixture. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is turn off the breaker that supplies power to these hall lights. I'm also going to flip the light switch off just to make sure we don't have any power to the fixtures. First thing to do is remove the globe. On this fixture, there's 3 screws. Just turn them counterclockwise until it's loose enough and the globe comes off. On this particular fixture, there's 2 screws. I'm going to loosen them, turn this, and it'll drop down. We've got our ground wire here, the bare copper wire. The white wire is neutral and the black wire is hot. Just unscrew the wire nuts. And we've got the fixture out of the way. This fixture came with a mounting plate and also the light fixture. We'll put the mounting plate in and then I'll show you how to put the fixture in. We'll take the screws out of the junction box. And now we'll put the mounting plate on, and you want to pay careful attention if you get this particular fixture. It says this side facing down. The light kit also came with wire nuts, and the green wire goes to ground, which is the copper wire, the unsheathed copper wire. The white neutral wire goes to the white wire, and the black hot wire goes to the black. That's simple. And when you put your wire nuts on, you want to make sure there's no bare wire showing in case you have a metal junction box, or if 2 wires are showing, you don't want them touching anything. Now it's just a matter of stuffing the wires up into the junction box. And there's a clip on each side, and on this particular model, you just snap it into place. Done. How about that? Now we've gone from this to this. Now before we go on to do the second one, we'll just test the lights. Turn the breaker on, flip the switch. How about that? Saving money and a whole new look. I'll show you real quick how we unbox this. If you happen to go to Costco and you like this, you can use this in a can light or the application that we used. And what I showed you holds true for mounting any ceiling light fixture. They mount a little different, but you follow the same procedure. But if you like this, I'll show you how I put it together. Now if you have a can light, all you do is unscrew your light bulb, screw this in, and unclip these, and they'll spread out. push it up in the canister and it locks in there and you're done. Of course, we have the flush mount, so need to take this apart a little bit, and it's all explained in the instructions. There's the before, and there's the after. This is an easy project that most any homeowner can do. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online.